Hello everybody, and thank you for visiting our channel at Freedom 55 Adventure. So today we're featuring condo for sale in Cuesta del Sol in David, Panama. It has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a bathtub. It's 100 square meters, or roughly approximately 1,080 square feet. It has 2 swimming pools. It's walking distance to downtown David, and the grocery store is a 5-minute walk away. There's hot water to all the taps and the kitchen in this condo. It's a secured complex. We have a reserve water tank. We have a designated parking stall and full-time renters, so it's a really good return on your investment. So this is the pool out front of the unit number 15. It has a beautiful open concept, so high ceilings, has fans, keep the air circulating. There is a sectional couch in the living room, so there's ample room for seating. The furniture does not come listed in the sale of the price of this condo, but what does come with it is a fridge, a stove, a washer and dryer. And also it has a gas heated water on demand unit, which is very effective for those nice baths that you want to have in the soaker tub, which you'll see. So we come through the dining room into the back patio. And from the back patio, you can go out those doors and you have a barbecue area. This is the smaller bedroom in the condo, and it has a double bed, but it easily can fit a queen size bed or a king size bed. Ample storage. There's more storage above the wooden closets, and this is the bathroom off the smaller bedroom. So now we're heading over to the master bedroom, and here is a queen size bed, and it easily fits a king size bed and bedroom suite. Has high ceilings, a fan also in the bedroom, and extra storage space, as you can see, above the wooden closets. As you go into the bathroom, you'll notice a bathtub. Those are really rare in Panama. Bathtubs do not traditionally come in Panamanian homes, just showers. And hot water is usually not included, but this unit does have hot water and a bathtub, so that's a bonus. As you go outside to the property, you have this beautiful view of the pool. It's nice to sit out there with a cup of coffee in the morning or a glass of wine at night. You can see parakeets, you can see parrots, and you get to see iguanas, lizards, geckos, and many different species of hummingbirds in the trees. And this property is beautifully manicured, so there's no yard work, which is a bonus. And also there's many fruit trees on the property as well, which you can take the fruit from. And some of the fruit on the property: plantains, guanabana, limes, oranges, and coconuts. And boy, do they ever taste good. So this condo is on a bus route, and you can also walk to 2 nearby fondas. There's a seamstress across the street. There's a local bar up the hill and around the corner, and a hardware store beside the grocery store. And if you drive, there's a car wash at the top of the road, which is about a 1-minute drive from the condo. And they do a fabulous job there cleaning your vehicle. Also, the bus routes can take you to the bus station, which then you can hop a bus and you can go to Costa Rica or Panama City. You can get all around Panama by the bus system here, and it's very, very reasonably priced. So this big pool is deeper than the pool out front of number 15, but it's where a lot of people like to meet and congregate and have potluck dinners and things like that. Please don't miss the contact information at the end of this video. And again, just some beautiful trees, flowering trees on the property. Here's an aerial view of the complex. So you see the lower pool in front of the number 15 unit, and then you see a beautiful bigger pool at the top. And everybody is welcome to use both pools. Lots of green space for putting out your long chairs, having company over, just spending a day by the pool. It's beautiful that way. So this is the area, the local neighborhood behind the condo. And we're giving you an aerial view of Rio David behind the complex as well. Some of the fields. It's not a very congested area back here. Very agricultural. The nearest beach, just so you know, is 25 minutes away. Here's the aerial view of David. As you can see, it's quite spread out. We have a couple of maps coming up that show the distance between the condo and the nearest grocery store, and it's called Romero's, so there we see it on the map. And the next map shows the walk from the condo to downtown. Here are some additional slides of the appliances. The electrical panel, 3 air conditioners in the main living area and 2 bedrooms, and the on-demand hot water heater. To set up viewing of the condo, or if you have any questions, please contact us at info@freedom55adventure.com. Stay tuned for more properties and land soon to be posted on our channel, and remember, it's always free to subscribe. Thanks again to everyone for popping in and visiting us today.